Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Trini-style fried rice. First, ensure your rice is at least 1 day old. This prevents stickiness and gives that perfect texture. Next, prepare all your ingredients by chopping them into small, manageable pieces. This includes your chosen protein, like chicken or shrimp, and any vegetables. Finally, measure out all your sauces and seasonings so they are ready to go. Now heat your wok or large pan with a tablespoon of oil over medium-high heat. Add your protein and cook until it's fully done and slightly browned. Remove it from the pan and set aside. Then, add a bit more oil if needed and sauté your aromatics, minced garlic, grated ginger, and diced onions. Cook these until they are fragrant and translucent, about 2 minutes. Return your cooked protein to the pan with the aromatics. Add the day-old rice, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Pour in a generous amount of soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, and a teaspoon of sesame oil. Stir-fry everything together vigorously, ensuring the rice is evenly coated with the sauces and heated through. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. To finish, toss in your chopped scallions and a final drizzle of sesame oil for an extra layer of aroma. Give it one last good stir-fry for about 30 seconds. Taste your fried rice and adjust any seasonings, like adding more soy sauce or a pinch of white pepper, to achieve your desired flavor balance. Serve immediately and enjoy your delicious homemade Trini-style fried rice. Don't forget to check the description below for a fantastic book recommendation and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.